Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the wireless module, loosen the 4 captive screws on the sides of the base cover. Remove the 4 screws on the front and back of the base cover and pry the cover off the system. Find the battery cable and remove the piece of tape. Unplug the cable. Identify the wireless module and remove the screw securing it. Unlatch and disconnect the cables to remove the module from the system. To reinstall the wireless module, place it back in the system and plug in the cables. Relatch and install the screw to secure the module. Reconnect the battery cable and reattach the tape to secure it. Place the base cover on the system and tighten the 8 screws to secure it. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.